if you look at the technology nowadays, you have seen those machines equipped with cameras all around. So basically, we have customers, they want to remotely operate the machine, completely remotely in the meaning of 10 miles away, 50 miles away, whatever. You can do that, you can equip the machine with cameras, and it feels to you like you sit in a cab with the monitors or the screens. If you think about millennials, just being in technology, if you think about shortages, it could be one day that in a kind of safe environment, that machine is operated even from abroad, you know. If the technology is advancing with band speed and all that stuff, it doesn't need to be an operator in that machine anymore. It could be out-contracted people for certain hours a day to operate that machine. So there are certainly things happening that way.